Welcome students, we got an interesting question. We've been given ABCD to be a square and we have three semicircles inside the square. Now the side of the square is 8 units. So this is the first observation that you will have to record. The first observation is that the radii of the three circles is equal to, now this is 8 units, so the radii of the three circles is going to be 8 divided by 2, that's going to be 4 units. So each of the circles have a radii of 4 units and their diameter is equal to 8 units, which is the side of the square. Now we are expected, what is required? The requirement is to find the area of the shaded region. In this case it's x, area of x. So what I wish to do is I'm going to be dividing the square into 4 equal squares. So divide the square into 4 squares, right? So this is 8 units. Now figure is not to scale, okay? Remember that figure is not to scale. So that would mean whatever you see in this figure is just for your understanding. In other words, this is not a perfect figure because of the inadequacies in the drawing instruments. Okay, so what I wish to do is I would like to divide the square into 4 parts. So this would be the division. Okay, so this is split. So if I were to split this, this is going to be 4 units, this is going to be 4 units. So I have already mentioned the radii of the 3 circles is going to be 4 units. So that would mean if I were to draw a line here, this is going to be a quarter circle, right? So you got a quarter circle. So let me take this point and say some O, and this division to be as some E and F. So I can record that observation, and this division as G and H. So OGDF is a square, OGDF a square, and OHCF is also a square. So you got a square here, a square here. And what else? You have EAGO. EAGO. You got a square, but the square contains a quarter circle. That's the important point, right? So there is a quarter circle here, and EBHO is also a square containing a quarter circle. So that is an observation. Now we are required to extract this area. So how are we going to do that? So foremost, what I'm going to do for that is I will calculate the area here. Area 1, I will calculate area 2, and then I will find the area of the quarter circle, and over here I will do the same. Okay, so first the area of OGDF. So what is this? This is a square. So area 1, the formula is side into side. That is the square, so side into side. So what do we get? You get a side of 4 units. 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16 square units. Now area 2 is this. So what is the side? 4 units. This is 4, this is 4, this is 4. So that is going to be 16 units, 16 square units. So 2 areas I've got. Now coming over here, what do you see here? I'm going to calculate the area of area 3. I'm going to calculate the area of the quarter circle. So what is the area of the quarter circle? Pi r squared divided by 4. So I've clearly given you the radius of the circle is 4 units. So this is going to be 4 into 4 times pi divided by 4. 4 and 4 gets cancelled, and this is 4 pi. Now area 4 is also going to be 4 pi. So now coming to the total area. So how to get the required area? Required area is from the area of the square, area of the large square, I got to take away area of this, area of this, area of this, and area of this. So I will have to take away 16 plus 16 plus 4 pi plus 4 pi. So let me get this. So area of the large square, the side is 8 units, 8 into 8. This is going to be the square's area. Minus 16 into 16 plus 16 is 32. This is going to be 8 pi. 32 plus 8 pi. This is equal to 64 negative 32 negative 8 pi. Now this is going to give me 32 negative 8 times pi, and this is the required area. Okay, so let me write this down. Required area, and this is the solution. Now if you want, you can use your calculator and you can get it, but I think this is the best point to stop, because if you're going to use a calculator you will get a fraction quantity, and that would make the answer a little bit abnormal. So having mentioned you this, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until we meet again, thank you.